So hello everyone. Today we are talking about our education. Today we are going to be talking about our education system. And today I am search on the YouTube that about on searching about of education system, and the content of education system on YouTube, that was very difficult to understand. So that's why I am trying to understand that in Hindi after I can telling you in my own language in English. That was not our language in English, but we have starting a challenge of English learning, so that's why I'm telling only English. So at second day, because then I making first video, two videos. So after the gap, there was gap हो गया था, so that's why I'm trying to first and second I don't do third, actually third video that was. So we are talking about education system. So the education system starts on the time of Britishers, millions of years previous of millions of sorry thousands of years. Then the Indians are doing her own business and doing her life very easily, but then Britishers are come on India and enter our India. So then he doing a kabja on our India. I don't know the meaning of kabja, so you can understand. So doing the kabja on our India, so that's then our Indians not doing that situation seriously, because that was not her problem, its problem. So that's why he don't do anything in a because that was not her problem in a thousands of years previous. I'm talking that about it. So धीरे धीरे he doing our Indians kabja, and the Britishers thinking about the Britishers thinking a big situation of our India to kill our India education. Then that time the no education thousands of year before. So then time he all are doing our own business. But do you know about the Rajiv Dikshit? Because he is the most I don't know what I say in English. The अच्छे देशभक्त थे जी, राजीव दीक्षित जिनका देहांत 2010 में हो गया था. सो he is a west and he killed by the Britishers, because the Rajiv Dikshit is not selling her products on our India. So that's why he all are killed the Rajiv Dikshit. And one person more is now live, but he's already मिला है ब्रिटिशर्स के साथ. सो ही वॉज डूइंग आर इंडिया, ख़त्म कर रहा है हमारे इंडिया को अंदर से. सो these some things are killing our India in the our own area. I don't know that perfectly thing, because I take this knowledge on the YouTube content. That was not my knowledge, but I take the some knowledges and telling you. So we are and wait, and he all are the Britishers all are thinking about the big situation for India. That was a big problem nowadays. That was education. He all are because the Britishers company have no employees and no workers. So he was thinking about that. Uh, one to graduated classes he started, and the today's time every parent sending her child on these some schools and colleges, because he was or no, the parents are thinking that my child is going to school and colleges and he was a make a Elon Musk or Chanakya, even Tesla, Newton. No, today's time is not a education. That was only a business. He all are doing what? Business. That was not reading or anything. That was not educated our child. He all are don't giving our today's time childs don't giving the education. He getting the money from our today's time education system, and the parents are freely giving the money. So that was a big misconception means misconception for our parents. So I'm telling you that I'm don't saying that the education not important for us, but the level, one level is okay for our student. I was thinking the 10th level, 12th level, the education is right, but the sec theta, cos theta, tan theta, x to the power whole square, that was not a part of our life. That was not a factor of life. I was thinking that, okay, and yeah, that was my opinion. That was my knowledge, okay. That was not a content of YouTube. My opinion. आई एम नॉट सेइंग नहीं यही दैट दैट वाज इट, यही होना चाहिए. नो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट, बट वेट. एंड वन मोर थिंग, टुडेज टाइम द एजुकेटर actually these are students thinking that he qualified her, he all are graduated uh, droppers actually he all are think that droppers, the droppers are only thinking we don't have any job, what we have to do now, what should we do have to do now. The thing, उनकी सोच उन्हें ऐसा बना रही है भाई. Then the thousands of year before, no uh, no family have any problem, because he all have own business and doing properly and freely, and he all are happy. But nowadays every family is in a awareness, sorrow actually. I don't know the meaning of dukh में है आज की फैमिलियाँ. Our India, I am talking about our India only. I don't know the other countries about this education system. And the other country have a in a education more skill, and our India schools no have any skilled teacher actual में. I am saying that our India's schools have only teachers to reading about the no, sorry, I mean to say the course of only a course. He was telling only a course, but the teacher is not available here to learn anything, the skill, because then the coming is time, जो टाइम आ रहा है अभी आगे चल के, so that time we have to skilled, we have a only skill, because that time we have to need a skill, like today time the data scientist actual में very valuable on that time, and prompt engineer because the AI is come on our India, you know, and because the phones have a AI, artificial intelligence, and the video editors forgetting her jobs because the AI is come and he was editing any video, you know. But I don't know the perfectly the editing, and I don't have any big software to doing to driving these some AI tools. So that's why I am saying that you have to learn only a skill. You have to work on skills. You don't have to work on your education. What are you doing? And then you have to reading. अगर आपको पढ़ना ही है, so you have to read the Mahabharat, Ramayana. Why are you don't reading that? And the education system don't the education system नहीं पढ़ा रहा है उनको ये चीज़ें. He was only reading that, बस वो उन्हें यही पढ़ा रहा है कि you have to learn these course of the ठोसों के the parts of I don't know the meaning in English, so I'm telling you, you understand what I'm saying. So that was situation of our India, and how we can get out of this situation, how we can get out of this situation and our family, because today's time our every family is very sad, you know, every family have a sorrow. I don't know the meaning, you know that. So I am saying only that we have to uh, develop a skill in ourselves, because today's time only value of a one man that have a only skill. And I am telling you the big YouTube, and I seen the one shot on YouTube before, no, tomorrow actually, yesterday. Okay, so the wait. Okay, so forget that all things, and the evening is going our home and night is coming, so that's why I have to go and the 10 minutes are completed. And I am telling you one thing, you have to always speak in 10 minutes for of English. I am always doing that. Okay, so then my videos not come that days, and today the उन दिनों भी मैंने इंग्लिश बोली थी जिस दिन मेरी वीडियो यूट्यूब पे नहीं आई. So you have already you have good luck, and I am very happy for 100 days because the अभी 10 days भी नहीं हुए. So thank you for watching this video on that time. Thank you.